As residents of Jamaica try to get over what has happened over the past couple of days and weeks of rainfall, heavy rainfall in most of the parishes, most people were affected by this. And you know something? Before I used to think that is only Portland alone experience a whole heap of rainfall. But when me look and see Manchester, St. Elizabeth, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and all them places there wash out, me I said, no sir, this water and this rain they bout everywhere, man. But anyway, in this episode, these residents talk about how the disaster have affected their life and what they plan to do in the future.
My name is Solomon Millwood, and as you can see behind me, it's giving way from Friday. But by yesterday now it keep falling down more and more, so right now we have to start evacuate the building because I don't want it to come down because it's eating underneath the house. So right now I just have to take out myself. So I just get help now. I'm moving because I don't want to wait until it come down on me. If you look, you can see the water running from underneath the earth. Yeah, the water is underneath the earth, so that is what moving the land. So the land moves with the water and the earth just moving together. So trust me, it's not safe.
Did you have this slope here before?
No, it did kind of like, but not. It just tear down. It just come like how you see it to the gate, but then it just. So it bursts, it keeps sinking. It just keeps sinking right down.
How long have you been living here?
About 11 years now.
You've experienced any of this before?
Yes, I have. When the Tankwell pipe, the burst, I don't quite remember which year. And that has mashed the whole of this side. That water has digged this place 9 to 12 feet deep. So the house, they get damaged in that. So I fixed back that side and then had on the other side around there. But then come now with all this.
So where are you moving to now?
I'm going by my sister and my brother. Just pack the things where I can pack them. And then...
How many of you guys live in the house?
About 4 of us. My granddaughter, but I let them go on already. Because it's not safe. They come this morning, pack some things and leave. So my brother and sister and family and friends just helping me now to get out of here before the rain comes back. Yeah, all this happens on Friday morning. So right through Friday, my son and my neighbor have to keep working. They have to go from one side, walk around the front, go to the other side because everything coming down, so they could pass. They could pass there because the water rise up to the window. So we have to start cut the trench so the water not come inside the house because with the flood out from the back. So all of them debris there. So I look at things so we that dig the trench so the water not rise up in the house.
Yeah, you root up on top of the house.
I just hold me and tight. And when my grandson come and say, I she tear down. So, but me look up because me hold the water coming out. And me see the piece of something hang down. And then me go in the room and me see everything tear down. The router tear down. Really, I'm not telling us. I can't tell. I can't express how I feel. This is how weak up. And me sit down still and me fold me and tight and me close my eye. Close my eye, but I cry still.
Somebody tell me say cheap up in my mother-in-law house. And when I come over here, I see her right there. So I say, Granny, you can't stay in here so because our house and we pop down for you. He said, nah, move. He said, yes, you have to move. And say that we carry her around at my house and she stayed there till this morning.
You don't zoom.
The house, wash away.
Hold them Jigo. Wow, cool dog. Almighty God, look there. Whoa. Water. Wow. Bottom flood out. One. Junction flood. From 1986, they say last time, junction flood out. Not to bottom flood out. Right car.
Yeah, this is one next farm. There's a lot of pop chai underwater right here. See, some of it water draft and the rest of it under water. Yeah, see like how it look there. All of it is pure pop chai. Nothing not going to come out of them. We move to our next farm now. Yeah, this is my next farm. There's this cabbage. The water run right through it, but it don't stay on it. But them not going too good. Them full of mud. Their water run right through it. Them not going to 100% good. Them. All it's me lose this too. I'm going to move on to our next lettuce field. Yeah, this is our next lettuce field that the water run through. Them not going too good again. Be a dirt inside. If you look, you see them lie down on them side. All say this is a dead field. There's a big loses right here. Has gone to the lettuce price. You can see that is my snowman lane. Right here that I'm squeezing down into. That blue card there. You could say it's the tank with the pipeline that went a few years ago. Nothing near vehicle can't come on here, so. That's a big tractor. That's a big truck. That's a truck. That's a truck. You got a big tractor. Truck will turn over, for sure. Went up. No, it's serious. Look there. All the way out there. As far as I can see. It's kind of serious. It's kind of serious. This is the first left-hand turn into the community. No, man. No, you got to. Boy, I mean, this is kind of serious. It is serious. You understand? It's real. Look. All fence the low pastor. All fence. Right here is the Pakistan. As you know.